In the early 17th century, the Rosicrucian movement emerged, fusing alchemy, mysticism, and Christian symbolism. Despite its mysterious historical roots, Rosicrucianism has had a significant impact on Western esotericism. Originating from 3 manifestos that were published between 1614 and 1617, these texts reveal the Rosicrucian order as a secret society of enlightened thinkers that included such notable figures as Sir Isaac Newton, Christopher Wren, and Benjamin Franklin. These manifestos asserted that these individuals possessed ancient wisdom and were devoted to the spiritual transformation of humanity. At the core of Rosicrucian philosophy lies the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment and esoteric knowledge. The movement advocates for a comprehensive understanding of the universe, blending mysticism, alchemical principles, and a profound connection to the divine. Central to their teachings is the concept of inner alchemy, wherein individuals undergo a transformative process to achieve spiritual illumination and unity with the cosmic order. The Rosicrucians promote a holistic approach to existence, emphasizing a deep integration of mystical insights and alchemical wisdom. This esoteric tradition still resonates today and has left an enduring imprint on the philosophical and the spiritual landscape. But what is this philosophy? And more importantly, how can this knowledge change your life? The philosophy of unity. The philosophy of unity is rooted in the idea that everything is interconnected, forming an intricate web of interdependence. This perspective encourages you to recognize the oneness that permeates all aspects of life, from the natural world to human relationships. Embracing unity involves acknowledging the inherent connection between yourselves, others, and the broader universe. At its core, the philosophy of unity promotes a shift from individualism to collective consciousness. By understanding that every action has ripple effects and that the well-being of one is intricately tied to the well-being of all, you can cultivate a sense of responsibility and compassion. This shift in perspective fosters a mindset that prioritizes cooperation over competition, empathy over indifference. In personal development, embracing unity can lead to a profound sense of purpose and fulfillment. When you recognize your interconnectedness with others, you often find meaning in contributing to the greater good. Acts of kindness, collaboration, and service become not only altruistic endeavors, but also pathways to personal growth and satisfaction. This philosophy encourages you to transcend self-centered pursuits and focus on creating positive impacts within your communities and beyond. Unity plays a crucial role in fostering resilience and navigating challenges, recognizing that difficulties are not isolated experiences but shared aspects of the human condition can provide solace and strength. In times of adversity, a sense of unity can inspire collective problem-solving, support networks, and a shared determination to overcome obstacles. Moreover, the philosophy of unity extends beyond human relationships to encompass the environment and the entire ecosystem. Acknowledging the interconnectedness of all living beings and the planet itself promotes a profound sense of environmental stewardship. By embracing unity, you're more likely to adopt sustainable practices, mindful consumption, and a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of nature. On a spiritual level, the philosophy of unity aligns many ancient wisdom traditions that emphasize the interconnected nature of existence. This perspective encourages you to transcend narrow identifications and recognize the universal consciousness that binds all living things. By embracing this broader perspective, you'll find a sense of inner peace and harmony and a deeper connection to the mysteries of life. The Principle of Correspondence. At the heart of their philosophy lies the axiom, as above so below, as within so without, encapsulating the understanding that there's cosmic intricacies that echo through every facet of life. Events occurring on one level of existence have an impact on another level, creating a vast and intricate tapestry that weaves together the fabric of reality. This principle serves as a guiding light for those seeking self-awareness and spiritual enlightenment, inviting you to explore the profound implications of recognizing correspondences between different levels of reality. By absorbing this principle, you start to discover the implications of recognizing correspondences between the microcosm and the macrocosm. This dichotomy illuminates the relationship between the vast universe and individual humans. Rudolf Steiner's book, Macrocosm and Microcosm, delves into the intricate relationships between the microcosm, humans, and the macrocosm, the universe, expanding the understanding beyond the confines of the physical realm. He introduces hidden realms, such as the world of elements and archetypes, suggesting that these realms exert influence on our physical bodies and the cyclical interchange between life and death. Steiner outlines various paths for self-development that transcend the physical and lead to spiritual dimensions. These paths transform human soul forces into organs of higher perception, offering a glimpse into the future where thinking evolves beyond mere intellect to a higher form of thinking, a thinking of the heart. The recognition of correspondences between the micro and the macrocosm provides you with the means to connect to your true self and the universe on a profound level. This understanding encourages you to see yourself not as an isolated entity, but as an integral component of the all, fostering a sense of unity and interconnectedness that transcends the boundaries of ordinary perspective. Practical applications for daily life. To change the world, one must start by changing oneself. By cultivating self-awareness, you lay the foundations for a profound transformation, and in an alchemy that aligns with this philosophy. Personal responsibility emerges as the next crucial step. For every experience, every outcome is a reflection of your choices and actions. Instead of casting blame externally, look inward, accept personal responsibility, and recognize the power you hold to shape your life. This concept becomes a mirror reflecting the interconnected nature of choices and consequences, echoing the principle of correspondence. This transformative power of inner alchemy aligns with the Rosicrucian belief that understanding correspondences between different levels of reality fosters self-awareness and spiritual enlightenment. Compassion emerges as a natural extension of this interconnected worldview. Treating others with compassion and respect is not merely a moral imperative, but a reflection of the fundamental interconnectedness of all things. By acknowledging the unity that binds us all, the act of helping others becomes synonymous with helping yourself. Conversely, causing harm to others is the same as harming yourself, reinforcing the reciprocal nature of existence. Additionally, environmental awareness is presented as a manifestation of the principle of correspondence in action. Recognizing that the universe is a reflection of you, it calls upon you to take care for the environment as an extension of self. Personal astronomy takes center stage as a practical tool for understanding your unique connection to cosmic patterns. By observing the celestial movements of your astrology chart, you gain valuable insight into your personal traits and potential challenges. This personalized self-awareness, grounded in the correspondence between celestial movements and individual experiences, becomes a compass for navigating the complexities of life. Finally, spirituality, the ultimate quest for meaning and connection, is shown as an imperative pursuit. You are encouraged to seek spirituality as a meaning for understanding your profound connection to the universe. This spiritual journey becomes a pathway to finding meaning and your purpose in life, reinforcing the interconnectedness between you and the cosmos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you'd like a copy of Steiner's book, I've left a link in the description below, along with 4 other books that are truly life-changing, so make sure you check those out. As of posting this video, the channel is 6 months old, and I just want to take a moment to thank you so much for being here at the beginning of this journey. I can't tell you how much enjoyment I'm having from making these videos and the engagement with this truly worldwide community of like-minded people that we are creating. Thank you so much for your engagement and support. As always, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.